Hello. In today's video, we will cover how to create scenes in Replikant. First, we're going to create a new project. If you go to the Scene tab, you can track everything in your scene by using the scene list. You can use these buttons to filter what you want to look at, such as meshes, lights, post-processing effects, and more. You can make further adjustments to specific items by clicking on them and then viewing them in the Details tab. An important thing to note is the difference between a background and an environment. Backgrounds are a 2D image, while environments are a 3D scene. You can view the different background options by going to the Dome tab. The background options are a plate, a dome, a 360 image, or an HDRI. Since it's just a 2D image, it is very light on resources. You can use a variety of images included with Replikant, and more will be added over time. Environments, on the other hand, are full 3D scenes. Replikant comes with a bunch of pre-made environments that you can use. First, set the background to none, and then go to File, Load Environment. You can choose which elements of the environment you want to load. Once an environment is loaded, it can be altered by adding, modifying, or removing meshes, as well as changing textures. There are many meshes already included in Replikant, and many more will be added over time. You can bring in a mesh and translate it, rotate it, scale it, and remove it. Decals are projected by the camera, and you can project them onto any surface. That's it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.